Video I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive for any version of Windows. Let's get started with the process. But before you start the process, make sure you must have some things which is very necessary to complete the process. The first thing is you must have ISO image of Windows version which you want to install on computer, or you want to create a bootable USB flash drive. The second one is you must have archiving image archiving tool. uh, in this video I'm going to use Power ISO, but there are some other which you can use. And the last one is, if you are using USB drive for 32-bit, then it must be 4 GB or more, or in case if you are using for 64-bit version, then it must be 8 GB or more. So once you have all these things, let's head over to the process. The first thing you need to do is just uh, open command prompt, and for that you can type cmd, and you can see you got this. Now you need to right click and run as administrator. Once you see command prompt is open, the first thing you need to do is just type the first command, that is disk part, and hit enter. Now wait for few seconds. Yeah, now you need to type another command, that is list disk, and hit enter. Now you will see that you will get all the disks drives available in your system at the moment. In my case I'm getting three. The first one is disk 0 online, uh, the second one is disk 1 no media, and the third one is disk 2 online, which is the actual USB drive which I am going to convert into bootable USB drive for Windows. In my case, I need to continue with disk 2, but it might be disk 1 in your case, so make sure to check the size of the uh, USB drive before you continue to the process. So after that, the next command you need to do is select disk 2. I've already told you that in your case it might be disk 1, but I you know that you can see that in my case it's disk 2, so I will go with disk 2 and hit enter. I will get a message that disk 2 is now the selected disk. Now it's time to write another command, that is clean, and again hit enter. Again you will see a message that DISKPART succeeded in cleaning the disk. The next command you need to write is create partition partition primary, and hit enter. Now you can see that you again see the message that this part succeeded in creating the specified partition, and after that you need to type another command, that is select partition 1 and hit enter. Now you can see, you will again see the message that partition 1 is now the selected partition. After that you need to write another command, that is active, and hit enter. Now you can see there is a message that this part marked the current partition as active. Now there is another command, that is format fs is equal to anti-fs quick, and hit enter. Now wait for few seconds to complete the format process. it can take 1 to 2 minutes to complete the format process. Yeah, you can see you got a message that this part successfully formatted the volume. Now the next command you need to type is assign and hit enter, and you will again see a message, this part successfully assigned the drive letter or mount point. And the last command you need to write is exit and hit enter. As you can see, message is leaving this part. At this point you can close the command prompt. The next part of this video is to head over to the drive where I have ISO image of Windows version. So in my case I have, yeah, here. So it's Windows 10 technical preview. uh, Make sure you must have installed Power ISO because I have installed it, but you can use any other tool to extract the image. uh, so what I need to do is just double click, and you can see, you will see all the files which is in this ISO image. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, it's total of 7. Now the next thing I need to do is just click on extract, and here I need to select my USB drive which I want to convert into bootable flash drive, and click OK, and again OK. Now the extraction process will be started. So you can see that extraction process is started, and wait for 10 to 15 minutes, or it might take less in your case. Wait, let this extraction process to be completed. You can also copy the files if you have already and paste it in the pen drive after you done with command prompt process. So this is how you can create bootable USB flash drive or pen drive. Give a try to this tutorial. One more thing, in my case I only have Windows 10 ISO image, so I showed up the tutorial of Windows 10. But if you want to make a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 7 or Windows 8, the procedure is similar. So you can also try this tutorial on Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. so give a try to this, and let me know whether this tutorial worked for you or not. Also don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.